Hey guys, Chevy here. Oh, I got shit in my beard. Look at that. Cobwebs. I've been hooking up lights standing in the rafters so I could do this. So, we got my 94 Mustang GT here. Factory fuel injection. It's pretty much all stock. Has like MSD coil and exhaust and a radiator. But performance-wise, stock motor, stock everything. I don't like how it runs. I don't like the hanging revs. I just don't like it. The factory management's kind of just dog shit on this thing. It hunts. The timing hunts at an idle, like it's never the same twice. I just don't like it. So I bought carbureted intake manifold, and I have my Holley Sniper standalone unit here. And I bought gaskets, MSD distributor, my good plug wires. Bought the adapter so I can go from the factory fuel line to AN. And I'm gonna have the Holley run this thing so I can control the timing and everything from the screen instead of having piggyback stuff and whatever. I'm just gonna get rid of all this factory stuff and put the Sniper on there. I figured to make a good little video, so I'm gonna try and do a good step-by-step for you and perch you up somewhere you can see really good, and we'll go from there. Thanks for watching, guys. So a good look at what we got going here. I'm gonna peel the upper intake off, take the intake pipe off and the mass airflow sensor, take the distributor out, fuel rails, and then lower intake manifold underneath that. Just gonna get it cleaned up. New gaskets on there, bolt the carburetor intake manifold on. So that's really what we need to do. We just need to tear into it, get everything off, and then we'll go from there. Alright, so I just realized I haven't had the camera on for a while. It's my bad, guys. I got the intake bolted down the rest of the way. Got the throttle body bolted down. I built fuel lines. Got my adapter fittings on there. Those actually turned out pretty good. I got these line clamp things, these little billet deals that clamp them together. I just got to find them. I'm going to put at least one here. But the factory water lines for the heater core, everything just fit back on here. Got the plug wires on. It's just rough. I need to tie them all up. I always do a zip tie, like braid thing on them. Looks nice. And I have to wire the sniper. We got the valve covers on. I had to modify this one because it hit the back of the alternator. And it's not all pretty TIG welded like it was, but it is TIG welded, but it looked like doo-doo, so I ground it all smooth. Anyways, we got the clearance we need. Alternator bolts down now. Those might work on a Fox body because the alternator is different place, but they do not work on an sn95. Not with these accessories, unless you modify it. So, anywho, I'm working on gonna build a throttle bracket now. I gotta shorten the cable up. It's quite a bit too long, so I'm gonna shorten it back to about here, and I'll build my own loop on the end and my own bracket, and then we'll be good to go. Then I just have to do the wiring and we can start this thing up. We'll see. Not overflowed. Gauges working. We got water temperature, oil pressure, and tach. All with the carburetor now. So that's pretty cool. Yeah, the old 42 pin connector over here has like 3 wires coming out of it now. Tach signal, oil pressure, and water temperature. Got 2 wires going to the engine over there, and I got the tach signal going to the MSD box.